I hope you never have this problem, but you might be put on a drug that is not covered by your drug insurance plan. What do you do next? Well, first thing you do is panic, and I would panic too, because if it's not covered by your drug plan, chances are it's a very expensive drug. So I think it's legit for you to panic, because everybody's gonna panic. But all is not lost. You can go directly to the pharmaceutical company that makes that drug, and they almost all have a program, a pharmacy assistance program, to help you with the cost of that drug. So they all have a form. So if you have to go to Lilly or Glasgow or wherever you have to go, they'll have a pharmacy assistance form. You have to fill it out. And some of them are means tested based on your income. Some of them aren't. Some of them will not help you if you do have a Part D drug program. Some will only help you if you don't have one, you're before 65. But a lot of them will still help you when you're on Medicare and you do have a drug plan. Some of them will help you for a couple months. Some of them will help you for up to a year. So it's a whole new world out there. This is something that we can help guide you on. But somebody talked to me about a new drug yesterday. It was like, I'd never heard of it. ODEV, something crazy. But every day there's a new drug I've never heard of. And they're expensive. So your first step is to file an appeal with that drug company to see if you can convince them to cover that drug. Okay, so your agent can help you with that. You can get a quick answer. And if the answer is no, then we want to go to the pharmacy that makes that drug and apply for that program. Now, if the answer is no still, now we're starting to really sweat. Now, you can always go back to your doctor and say, is there an alternative that might be on my drug formulary that I might be able to get coverage for? Your doctor typically is going to say, hey, I prescribed this drug because this drug is getting the best results for your condition. So if at all possible, I want you on this drug. Now, a lot of doctors will say, we have a whole closet of free drug samples. They're never for this most expensive new drug. I don't want to say never, because your doctor might have a special relationship with the drug rep. So it doesn't hurt to ask, do you have any samples of this drug? That's not going to take you very far down the road. So your typical thing is to say, oh, I hate my drug insurance company. They don't cover this drug. But my experience has been when it's that new drug, nobody covers that drug. And so changing your insurance during the periods where you could change your insurance is not necessarily the answer either. Your best answer is typically to go to that pharmacy assistance program to see if you can get something directly from the pharmacy. Let's say you can't get something from the pharmacy. Sometimes you can use GoodRx. There's other little drug cards. A lot of the pharmacies have those little cards, and you can get apps on your phone, and a lot of those do work. They give you some discount. So don't think that's just a scam. It's not, and that might be your only solution. I hate to hear people that say, I couldn't afford my drug, so I didn't take it. Or my sister and I are on the same drug and we can't both afford it, so we split a dose. Those are things you're really getting into the danger zone with your health that you need to share with your doctor to see if your doctor might have an in with the pharmaceutical rep, and maybe he can brainstorm. So the main thing is all is not lost. You know, there are some other avenues when your drug is not covered. Be sure to reach out to us so we can research your specific drug and see if we can give you some guidance on some strategies you might be able to pursue to get that drug that's not available through your drug insurance company.